Hi friends, welcome back everyone to my channel. Any Trader Can Fly. Are you a working professional and are you finding it difficult to find time to trade during your working hours, that is 9 to 6? Then let me tell you, you have landed at the right place at the right video, because this is going to be a strategy for the working professional where I'm going to challenge you that you don't have to spend more than 5 minutes of your time. Yes, you heard it right, not more than 5 minutes of your time. You just have to place your trades. I'll explain to you what need to be done. After that, you don't even have to look into your screen, you don't even have to monitor, you don't have to place any stop losses, you don't have to do any adjustments, nothing of that sort. It's going to be a complete video for the working professionals, a beautiful intraday equity strategy for the working professionals. And also friends, let me tell you, in case if you're looking only for a strategy, then you're wrong. This video will teach you about the complete setup, that is money management, the risk management. Also, I'll show you how it has performed in the past, and also I'll show you the setup, how do you select a stock. All these things are available in this video. So I recommend you to please stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full updates about this. And in case if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, let me tell you, this is a channel for all the working professionals where I have uploaded lots and lots of strategies for the working professionals, specifically targeting them, where you require just 5 minutes of your time. And also I upload a lot of live trades of mine, a lot of intraday straddles as well. So don't miss all these videos. So please do subscribe to this channel and please do share it with your friends as well. And also don't forget to press the like button if you really like this video as well. So this is the screener which I am talking about. It's available on Chart Link, or it's Chart Inc. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything for this website or for this screener. And as I told you, I'll provide it in the link. If I told you, it's easily you can understand. That's very easy to code as well. But otherwise, you need help, you can take. I'll provide you the link in the description of this video, or otherwise you can WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525 and collect this link as well. So friends, what I'm trying to do here is I'm using two parameters. One is the volume. I'm just trying to see that if at all the stock is having volume which is higher than the past 10 days moving average, simple moving average, and if it is 2 times the average of the past 10 days, that means the stock will come into my screener, it will come into my watch list. Okay, so basically what does it mean is that, you know, there is some mega news in the stock, there is some big event happening with the stock, that's why lots of people are buying it. So then automatically what will happen, the present day or the day when we are going to trade, the price comes, the stock gets selected in our watch list. Second thing which I am doing is I'm just trying to find out if the stock is moved 5% up or below the open price. So this also indicates that there is some big movement in the stocks. So I'm just combining these two powerful parameters. It's not a big rocket science. It's a very simple technique, but this will give you very good quality stocks, which will which you can understand that yes, it's going to give very good movement tomorrow as well, because as per the Newton law, you know that anything which continues, the momentum which continues to go in one direction will continue until unless some other force come into picture. Okay, so sorry about the law. Okay, but I'm just telling you the main intention behind this, that in case if today it is moving rapidly, it will continue the movement tomorrow as well. That is what you have to understand here. So that is what I have filtered here. So once this is done, you can just run the scan. So there was nothing for today because, okay, let me tell you, this scan needs to be done after 6 o'clock. Whenever you are free, whenever you come back home, you can just run the scan and keep the stock ready for your next day into your watch list. And we are going to do intraday trades only. And you can do it in equity, or you can do it in options, you can do it in futures, you can do it in anything. But presently I am showing you to do it in equity, because people, those who are having even a capital of small funds of even 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 also can trade using this method. And also I have selected Nifty 50 segment because the volume is going to be good and you don't have to worry about the liquidity issues and all those things. Also, in case if you're doing options also, Nifty 50 is very good. Yeah. So let me just show you the backtest results. So this screener will give you the backtest results as well. So you can just come here and click the download CSV file. So this is what I have done. I have just downloaded the file and then I just made it a little bit of good looking kind of thing. And I have just done backtest with a capital of 1 lakh. You can do it any amount. In case if you want, you can use this Excel file as well. Now you can just collect it from my WhatsApp number 8095 876525. Let me just type it over here. 8095876525. Okay friends, so I am taking a risk of only 2.5%. So you can decide your risk. This comes under money management. This many people ignore this particular point. What they do is they just blindly buy a stock or sell a stock with full capital what they have, and then they do blunders. But you need to decide before taking a trade how much risk you can take. So I have taken only 2.5% of my capital. In case if your risk appetite is much lesser, you can take 1% or 0.5% or 5%. I would not recommend 5%, but 2.5 should be the maximum. That's what I would say. And in case if you're dividing your capital into multiple strategies, then you can put 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 into each stock and trade accordingly. Yes. So what happens is, if I'm risking 2.50, my risk amount is going to be 2,500. So this is editable, friends. You can, if at all you want to change your capital, you can just change the capital here. Let me just show you. In case if you are doing with 5 lakhs, see automatically you can see the risk amount is going to be 12,500. So you can just set your capital, how much ever you want to take risk. Accordingly, it will calculate how much you are going to take risk in your particular trade. Okay, so this is the data which we got. These are the stocks which we got on the particular date. I have done backtest. I'm just trying to show you backtest from this particular this year, that is 2022, and yeah. So on third, the stock which we got was Coal India. So what you need to do is that you just have to add the stock into your watch list. So I just added the stock into just to show you. So we got the stock selected on 3rd, so you're going to trade this on 4th. Select 5 minutes time frame, that is enough for intraday. And friends, let me tell you, in your intraday system, you can do any method. You can do the ORB method, or you can do the 15 minutes ORB, 5 minutes ORB. For my simplicity, I'm just showing you the 5 minutes ORB strategy. So what is that? It's very simple. You all know that. We just have to take the first 5 minutes candle, look into the high price and the low price, and then just leave. Nothing else to be done. Perfect? Yeah. So if you are a working professional, what you have to do is keep alarm at around 9:15 to 9:20. During that time, at 9:20, you can just see, just keep your cursor over here on the first candle. Just see what is the high price and the low price, and what you have to do is just place a stop loss buy order at the high price, and same way a stop loss sell order at the low price. Simple as that, nothing else to be done. Is there any other strategy very simple than this? Let me show you. I'll just show you the backtest performance as well. It's excellent. You just have to keep a buy stop loss order. Mind you, it is stop loss order, not market order. Buy stop loss order at the high price. In the same way, sell stop loss order at the low price. That's it. Nothing else to be done. Place both the orders and leave for the day. Don't even have to look into your screen the entire day. You can look evening, end of the day, whenever you're free, or next day. Sorry, not next day. The same day only. Then you will be able to see the returns on your trading platform. Yeah. So you can see what I have done. I have done the same thing. I just taken the high price and I have taken the low price, and quantity automatically the sheet will calculate for you. You can use the sheet. It will calculate the quantity automatically. And friends, the quantity, as I told you, plays a very major role whenever you are doing your money management and risk management, which many people ignore. They don't follow this risk management and money management technique. Okay, so how am I calculating the quantity? You can see the formula is there here. So basically the difference between the high and the low is nothing but 1 point is there. So in case if the market goes against me as well, I should not lose more than 2,500 capital of mine. That is the logic behind the money management technique and the quantity. So automatically what happens when you put the high and the low, this quantity will come automatically. You just have to place this quantity. In case if a trade goes wrong also, you will be losing only 2,500 rupees. But whenever you can see here, friends, the beauty of trend following strategies are that whenever you make loss is that your losses are very minimal. You can see it's 2,500. But when you make profit, you can see it's almost 15,000 rupees. It's 4,000 rupees. It's 6,000 rupees. That is one day 2,000 rupees. Okay. Just let me go down. There's one more 8,000 rupees. There's 5,600. One more 15,000. 6,000. Yeah. So this is the beauty of trend following. What happens is whenever you make loss, your losses are going to be very minimal. But when you make profits, the profits are going to be big. And don't worry about the accuracy. Day in and day out, you just have to place your order, nothing else. Yes, so if you have big capital, I would say diversify into 2 3 different strategies, or you can do futures or you can do options. But if you have very less capital, please do in equity. And let me just show you, I just did this performance in 2022. So you can see almost 53,000 rupees profit is there with an investment of 1 lakh. So don't go with the returns. What I'm saying is, decent 5% returns, 10% returns is good enough for a month. And also, don't look into monthly performance, always look into your quarterly performance, and this strategy will give you consistently quarterly performance profits as well. Okay friends, and the best part, as I told you, is you don't have to waste your time at all. Just keep alarm at 9:15 or 9:20. Your stock selection is already done one day before. You just have to find out the high and the low of the particular stock price at that at 5 minutes breakout. You just have to find the high and the low. Just place the stop loss market order for both buy and the sell, and place the quantity accordingly as I have mentioned here. Nothing, that's it, over, and you don't have to look into your screen. If the buy gets triggered, then the low will automatically will become the stop loss. If the low gets triggered, then the buy will become the stop loss automatically. So there is nothing which you don't have to do. You don't have to spend any money for your algo or nothing of that sort. Simple technique, and you can make very good returns out of it. So let me just see if with respect to the accuracy, okay, I'll make it green and just see. It's fair enough friends, there are losses as well, but you can see there are consistent profits as well. You can see which is marked in green are the profits, and other one are the losses. But overall, we just have to see the quarterly performance. Don't look into your daily performance. It's a mistake which many traders do. And this is all about the strategy. If at all you have any doubts or any confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095. Let me repeat it. I'll write it over here. As you can see, it's 8095 876525. Okay friends, very simple strategy, very simple technique. If any doubts, you can always WhatsApp me. Thank you and have a nice day.